Yeah, so the exercise we just showed, and not A or not B is the same as not A and B. Okay, so we did that actually in a way that might have been not have been super intuitive because well, we didn't really understand what the statements were saying. We kind of just showed that they were equal. But it is kind of interesting that we can verify things are equal and not really understand what either of them are. So it is a good technique to keep with you. But in this particular situation, I think we can understand the statements a bit better. So if we have maybe if we have an example like before, say x, A equals x is a dog, and B is equal to x is a cat. Okay, then not A or not B is equal to x is not a dog, or x is not a cat. Okay, so it's either not a dog or it's not a cat. Okay, so it could actually be a cat, and it could also be a dog. It just can't be both a cat and a dog at the same time, right? So one of these statements has to be true. So it has to be that either x is not a dog or x is not a cat. And that's really exactly what the right hand side's saying. So let's see. So x not being a dog or not being a cat means x is either not a dog or not a cat. So another way of saying that is x cannot both be a dog and a cat. So x cannot both be a dog and a cat at the same time. Another way of saying that is x is not sorry, another way of saying that is that it is not true that x is a dog and x is a cat. So the it is not true part is just another way of saying negation. So this is exactly the negation of x is a dog and x is a cat. Okay, so that's another way to understand the equality of these two statements.